It's all about your preference, you feel me? At the end of the day, you have to live your life. You can't live your life for other people, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, just me personally, I love me old school, so there's nothing like it. You know what I'm saying? There's nothing like it. A window belt, so I'm finna go order that for all the doors, because this one is missing it. And I hope it's not too hard to install, but yeah, I'm finna ready to get that as well. It's whatever y'all think, you know. If you like older cars, then that's your personal opinion. If you like newer cars, it's your personal opinion, you know what I'm saying?
Now I'm doing shit you can be proud of. My shit used to be empty, now half of my closet proud of. I failed, but a nigga got up. This and this shit get shot up. Punching my pockets not up. Rapping on finally making it rain while I was locked up. So my niggas just hold on, never worry, dog, I got us. Why? Cause it's up.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce, back with another video. My camera look clear. Sheesh. But yeah, man, this video basically just gonna be giving y'all my opinion on how I feel about owning a 40-year-old car. Now, a lot of people my age specifically, like Gen Z, you feel me, my generation, they don't really like older cars, I should say, you feel me. They more so into the newer cars, like the Mustangs, the Chargers, the Challengers, some Supras, you feel me? They more so into the newer style cars instead of these older cars. My preference, I love me a good old school car, you feel me? And I especially love seeing my generation and younger people, you feel me, driving and enjoying these old school cars. That's just me. But then again, I have been told that I have sort of an old soul, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, that's just my preference. I love me a good old school car, and I love seeing the younger generation, my generation, younger folks, you feel me, in these old school cars, rebuilding these old school cars, having fun with these old schools, and just enjoying them, you feel me, and letting them keep live, you feel me. I hate seeing old school cars slowly going away, you know what I'm saying? I hate to see that. That's why me personally, I'm gonna try and keep my old school cars alive for as long as possible, you know what I'm saying? From this box Chevy to my Cutlass to I want to give me a Monte Carlo, a later 80s model Monte Carlo, like from like an 87 Monte Carlo is what I want. And I want me a Regal GNX, well, not even GNX, a Grand National, you feel me? I want me a Regal Grand National. I don't want just a regular Regal, I want a Grand National. So I know it's gonna be a while before I'm able to get the Grand National, but the Monte Carlo could be something I'm gonna start looking into after I finish the box Chevy. That way I still have two projects going, you feel me? It won't just be my Cutlass alone. So I'm gonna start looking for Monte Carlos after this box Chevy is done, you know what I'm saying? But until then, we're gonna keep working on both my old schools. But like I said, I just love these older cars, you feel me? And like I said, giving y'all my opinion on me owning a 40-year-old car and my Cutlass, which is almost 40 years old in 3 years. You feel me? I love it. You feel me? I just love being in these old school cars. It's these older. Hold on, y'all. 1 second. All right, y'all. My bad. It was a bug in here. You feel me? A fly. I had to go ahead and get him up out of here. You feel me? Get him up out of the car. So, like I said, man, my opinion on owning older cars. You feel me? I feel like you can do more with these cars. You know what I'm saying? Most of these older cars, they come without the motors already in them, so you can throw a motor up in them. You can customize the interior, which you can do that with really any car, you feel me? But you more so seeing that being done with these older cars. The newer cars, they'll throw like a supercharger, a turbo, you feel me, on their cars. They wouldn't really customize the interior besides like taking the seats out and put like racing seats in, like Kirkies and stuff, you know what I'm saying? But with these older cars, you mostly see people customizing the interiors, like new door panels fully done, seats fully done, you know what I'm saying, rear decks, center consoles, little stuff like that. But with these newer cars, you don't really see people doing that too much. Most people getting these newer cars to like street race them, drag race them, stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? Where so more people getting the older cars, throw wheels on them or throw some, you feel me, some white walls on them and cruise. You don't really see that too much with newer cars. Mostly people just racing them. So like I said, my opinion on owning these cars, I love it, man. I love owning these older cars. Not even just about customizing, it's just it's a different feeling being in these cars. You feel me? My personal opinion, they don't make newer cars like they did with these older cars. These older cars are still real strong. You know what I'm saying? These newer cars, you hit something, it folds in. You know what I'm saying? They don't make the newer cars like they used to. You know what I'm saying? They don't make the cars like they used to. So, like I said, my preference, I take an older car over majority of these newer cars. The only newer car I really want is a wide body Charger. I don't care if it's a Hellcat or a Scat Pack. I just want me a wide body Charger. That's really the only newer car I want besides like exotic cars. You feel me? But everybody want an exotic car. But like I said, I'd rather. Personally, if you put like a lineup of older cars and a lineup of newer cars, I'm 9 times out of 10 pick me an older car out before I pick me a newer car. Just my opinion, you know what I'm saying? I know a few people probably like that too. It's like I said, it's like a handful of newer cars that I will take. The wide body Charger is one. The wide body Challenger is one. I don't really like Mustangs too much. I like the Dark Horse Mustang, the newer one. I like that body style on that Mustang, but the older ones, you feel me? I don't care too much for them. What else? Like I said, it's only a handful of newer cars that I will actually want. You feel me? Now trucks, I'll take me a 70 C10 over any truck, any day. You know what I'm saying? I want me a 70 C10 so bad. That way I can put bags on it, drop it to the ground whenever I want, whenever I'm parking, air the bags back up. You feel me? It's just something about a 70s truck to me. 70 C10. I want one so bad. So bad I want one. But like I said, man, my opinion on these cars, I love me an older car over majority of these newest cars. You feel me? So y'all let me know y'all opinions in the comments. I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna show y'all the box Chevy again. You know what I'm saying? It ain't gonna be nothing too crazy. Like I said, I just wanted to give y'all my opinion on newer versus older cars. So preference, everybody had their own preference. It's just about, my bad, it's just about what you like. You feel me? Your own preference, and you can't let nobody change your opinion because, you feel me, say a group of people like this and you want to be involved with that group. Don't do it. You feel me? Be yourself. You know what I'm saying? It's nothing wrong with being yourself. Everybody ain't gonna agree with you, but it's all about your preference. You feel me? At the end of the day, you have to live your life. You can't live your life for other people. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? It's your preference at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? So I know a lot of people might get in the comments, be like, you dumb for saying such and such and all this extra stuff. But like I said, at the end of the day, it's what I like. You feel me? And I'm gonna build these cars the way I like them. And I just hope y'all enjoy. That's all I can ask, is I hope y'all enjoy. So if you're ready to get out, make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all the way y'all be notified every time I drop. And I will be right back in a second. All right, y'all, so we outside of the car. I mean, like I said, man, I just love the way old schools look. Just in general, I just love the way they look. You feel me? It's like the body lines, the shapes of the fenders, the extension pieces, the rear end, the front end. It just looks so much better to me. You know what I'm saying? The way these old schools look just look 10 times better to me. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, man, the box Chevy. Y'all let me know what y'all think about old schools and new schools. So yeah, man, it ain't really much to this video besides just getting y'all opinion on which models y'all think y'all like better. Hold on. So it's just like I said, your personal preference. If you like old schools or if you like newer cars, it's just your personal preference. You can't really let nobody make your opinion or change your opinion. Like I said, it's your personal preference. You can't make nobody change your opinion or any of that. You know what I'm saying? It's just what you like, and yeah, that's just all it is. You know what I'm saying? It's just what you like. And yeah, man, just me personally, I love me an old school, so there's nothing like it. You know what I'm saying? There's nothing like it. I gotta fix a little bit of stuff on here. Hold on, y'all. All right, y'all, so most of that noise is now gone, you know what I'm saying? And I was just doing a little walk around while, you feel me, all that noise was happening. And I'm finna get ready to order. I don't know if y'all can see, it's like cracked up here. So it's like, I just found this weather kits, you know what I'm saying? Weather strip, well, window belt is what they call it. A window belt. So I'm finna get ready to order that for all the doors, because this one is missing it. And I hope it's not too hard to install, but yeah, I'm finna get ready to get that as well. But like I said, man, with these old school cars, it's just whatever you like. In my personal opinion, man, I love me an old school car over, like I said, majority of these newer cars. So y'all just gotta leave y'all opinions, what y'all think down below. Would you rather have an older car, not even just like a box Chevy, you know what I'm saying, just any older car in general? Or would you rather have one of these newer cars, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, I know my generation, most of them like the newer cars more than these older cars. But me personally, I like these older cars more than just about all the newer cars, you know? And me personally, I say older cars, any car that's older than I am, you know what I'm saying? So 90s and down, I call them older cars, you know what I'm saying, because they older than I am. You feel me? So, and I would like to say I'm still pretty young, you know. I don't like to say I'm getting old, you feel me? Even though I know I am. But like I said, man, it's just y'all personal preference. It's whatever y'all think, you know. If you like older cars, then that's your personal opinion. If you like newer cars, it's your personal opinion, you know what I'm saying? And don't let nobody try to change your personal opinion. You feel me? I know I ain't gonna let nobody change my opinion on nothing, you feel me? Regardless if people don't like what I like, I know what I like, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna change just because somebody else don't like what I like, you know what I'm saying? And I feel like it's more I can do with these older cars, you know, than with a lot of these newer cars. I mean, yeah, you can still customize the interior and all that stuff, but I feel like with these older cars, you customize the interior, you're only adding to the value of the car, you're not taking it away. Well, certain older cars, you feel me? Certain older cars, like the box Chevys, you customize the interior, I feel like you adding to it. Boy, say like a Chevy Bel Air, something like that, you feel me, of 50s or 60s, even some 40s, you customize the interior like really crazy. I feel like you're gonna take away from the original and the value of the car. I don't know, like I said, it just really depends, you know. Some older cars, I feel like, you know, you customize the interior, you customize the exterior, you're not really taking away from the value of the car. But with the newer ones, I mean, like I said, you can do whatever you want to any car, you feel me, if it's yours. You can do whatever you want to it. But me personally, if I go to a car lot and they have old school cars and new school cars, I'm gonna most likely look at the old school cars before I go and look at any of the newer cars. You know what I'm saying? I just feel like they don't make the cars like they used to. You know what I'm saying? You do that to a newer car, it'll probably break it. It'll probably bend the car in. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. Like I said, it's just y'all personal opinion. Whatever y'all think. Y'all stay tuned. We're gonna be putting the 26s on the car tomorrow. We're not gonna be doing it today. But tomorrow we will be throwing the wheels on the car, which y'all probably won't be getting that video tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? But I will be putting the wheels on the car, and y'all stay tuned, man. Follow my Instagram, because I will be taking pictures with the wheels on this car. So my Instagram will most likely see this car on the 26s before y'all see it on the YouTube video. You feel me? But yeah, man, I love owning this 40-year-old car. And I get a lot of head turns, you feel me? Even when people be driving down the street, when it's just parked here, people just stop and be like, hey, I like that car. Hey, when you find that car, where you get that car from? You want to sell it? You know what I'm saying? Just like that. But if I had like a newer car, people wouldn't stop and be like, you want to sell that car? Because you can go and get a newer car if you want to. But these older cars, especially where I live, it's not easy finding these cars. You know what I'm saying? So when you find it, it's like a gem. You gotta hold on to it. You feel me? A GM. It's like a gem. You gotta hold on to these older cars, because now they're getting harder to find, but if you find one, you gotta put a lot of money into it. And I wouldn't say I had to put a whole lot of, I probably didn't put no more than, as of right now, as the box Chevy is sitting, no more than $5,000 to $6,000 into this car. Bought this car for less than, I bought this car, I'd be 100 with y'all, I bought this car for $800. You know what I'm saying? Motor was already in it. The only thing I had to do was get the car running. I got this car for $800. You feel me? So yeah, man, it's a blessing, you know. Owning this older car, it's a blessing. So yeah, man, like I said, it's just y'all personal opinion, whatever y'all think. Like I said, people come down the street asking if I want to sell my older cars, but if you had a newer car sitting in the driveway, they wouldn't stop and ask you, because they can go and find a newer car. With these older cars, it's harder to find. So like I said, it's just y'all personal opinion, whatever y'all think. So yeah, man, catch y'all in a second for the outro. Alright, y'all, so it's gonna be the end of this one. Y'all let me know y'all opinions though. Would you rather have an older car, or would you rather have a newer car? Like I said, my preference, it don't depend. I'm mainly taking older cars than a lot of these newer cars. It's like finding a gem. You feel me? These cars are gems. But like I said, man, my opinion on owning a 40-year-old car, I get a lot of head turns. You know what I'm saying? Just driving the car the way it sits, even though mismatched fenders, the color ain't all the same, you know what I'm saying? I still turn heads when I'm driving this car. Just because it's an older car and I'm a younger guy, you know what I'm saying, driving this car. And everybody know you respect the build, where even no matter where they at, you feel me? They can be at rock bottom with their build, or they can be at the very top with their build at the end, you know what I'm saying? You respect their build. And I feel like when I get head turns, a lot of people just be like, yeah, I'm respecting your grind. I love seeing a younger guy in an older car. And yeah, we can't wait to see how the car turn out. You feel me? That's how I think it is. So yeah, man, my opinion on owning a 40-year-old car, I think it's a blessing, you know. I own a car that's older than I am, and I'm building it to the way I want it to look. And when I'm fully finished with this car, it's gonna be just like driving a new car, a brand new car off the lot, you know what I'm saying, with customizations. So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. I just wanted to do this video. I felt like it would be something different, you feel me? So make sure y'all hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, that way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel. Let's try. I was gonna give y'all a like goal, but you feel me, I don't get too many likes on videos, so I ain't even gonna do that. But make sure y'all share the channel. Let's keep growing as much as we can. But like I said, it's gonna be the end of this one, man. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless. And I will catch y'all on the next one. Peace.